Go straight across to Priyanka Chaturvedi, senior leader Rajya Sabha of the Shiv Sena, and also PKD Nambiar, political analyst, supports the BJP, is joining us. Mr. Nambiar, is this a fairly clear-cut case of basically teaching Twitter a lesson, a reprisal for Twitter daring to actually label tweets by the BJP as manipulated media?
I believe it is another way around, that we are a democracy and wherein we have been talking, and even in the same channel we have discussed about multiple times the freedom of expression. And if a Twitter, like a social media platform, is becoming the world champion of freedom of speech, they can't have a double standard. Secondly, a foreign social media company cannot be above the law of the land.
Once again, Mr. Nambiar, when you talk of freedom of speech, how is labeling a tweet as manipulated media? The tweet is still there. It's just been labeled as manipulated media. How is that a criminal offense requiring the intervention of the special cell of the Delhi police?
Now, there are two things. One, the raid is going on. As far as we understood, it's a breaking news. Let the police explain why they are doing it and what they are doing. I think that is the police, and I think Delhi police is a professional police, and they should explain. But having said that, I wanted to tell you, it is not about Sambit Patra's account.
I will tell you, in case you caught what my colleague said, they have refused to share any details since this afternoon of who is the complainant, and on the basis it has manipulated media. Surely the police should be probing that, if at all. I mean, I don't understand why the police needs to get into it, but if at all they do, surely that's the thing to investigate. Did the BJP forge a document? India's ruling party is forging documents. Isn't that something that is more probe-worthy?
Srinivasan, why not? If Congress feels that it is being manipulated or broadcasted or created by BJP, why don't they file a complaint and let the police take an action? That is the way it should be.
You file a complaint.
No, let me tell.
I think they have.
If they have filed it, let there be an investigation.
No, I know, but I'm just saying, as a point of fact.
No, Srinivasan, they have. Understand. There is something called as a very, very superly Hippocratic way of approach by the Twitter, especially Twitter and some other social media platform. They are not above the India as a country. They are not above our democracy. They are not above the rule of law in this country. Today, I will tell you, I can give you explanation.
No, but
there are at least 10 friends of
mine. What is the crime? No, nobody is saying they are above. But what is the offense here? What is the offense?
I don't listen for a second. I'll tell you, for an example, the organizer's editor.
What is the offense? Yes.
I am saying there is a large number of people, their tweets or the Twitter accounts have been either partially blocked or blocked, only with the narration that all the content of those people are bad. How can
Mr. Nambiar?
Social media platforms.
Mr. Nambiar, that is not germane to tonight's action by the police. What is the offence on the basis of which the police are tonight sitting in the offices of Twitter India? You're not able to answer that. Perhaps that's an unfair question to ask you, because even the police is not able to answer that clearly.
If the police feels that there is something is fishy, and they have all the right to go and any place, it could be an NDTV, it could be a Nambiar place, it could be Twitter or Facebook. Why not? I think if there is some challenge,
why not? Mr. Nambiar, has this been something that has caught the BJP for a change? Because normally you feel you always dominate the social media narrative, but this time for a change, have you been put in an embarrassing situation where your own leaders' tweets have been labeled as manipulated media? Just imagine how embarrassing that is. Members of the country's ruling party, their tweets are labeled as manipulated.
So this is precisely,
this is just hitting back.
No, this is precisely the problem. The Twitter, specifically the Twitter, take an autocratic view of which content needs to be shown, how many times that needs to be shown, which all content they will be blocking it, which all content they will be showcasing it. As if once on the one side they will say that they are the one who is the messiah of freedom of speech and freedom of expression. On the other side, the content which they don't like or they don't want it to propagate, and so the intermediaries like Twitter or any social media platform
who
have no right to take any side. No, that's precisely. So if you really look at the law,
who will decide that? BJP will decide which is the content,
it's not about-
who's going to decide that?
Srinivasan, it's not
There is
about...
a point though. There is a
No,
point though,
Srinivasan,
Ajay
what-
Kumar.
it's a very
I think we have very
simple
little time
question.
left.
No, I'll tell you one example. Srinivasan Jain put
No,
up
no.
a post on Twitter. It will not be blocked. The same content,
Yeah.
if PKD Nambiar puts it, it may be blocked. And this is where the hypocrisy. And if you want the proof, tomorrow morning...
No,
both
no,
of us can
Mr. Nambiar, you give me way too much credit.
And
You
I'm
give
really
me way
telling
too much
you,
credit
this is
and
something
not
I can
enough
prove it in the
credit to
morning.
yourself.
This is something I can prove it
I
in the first thing in
can
the morning.
tell you it is quite the